สวัสดีค่ะ everyone Monday new recipe today let's prepare a yummy breakfast called Khai Grata. It's fried eggs with sweet sausage, minced pork or minced chicken. Else you can add whatever you like. Are you ready? Let's go! Sugar, white pepper, spring onion, mushroom soy sauce, sweet sausage, bacon, minced chicken, and eggs. Start with onion. Next, cut sausage and bacon. Now let's head to the cooking station. I forget to tell you in the ingredients because it's too hot outside, then I left in the fridge. But we also need butter. Just put butter in the pan. Then add onion. Minced chicken. Add mushroom soy sauce and sugar. Add white pepper. Sausage and bacon. Add fried chicken. When it's cooked, you sprinkle some spring onion. For the quantity, as you saw, I made it quite big because I like to share with my boyfriend. But you can also do it with 2 eggs and half the chicken and sausage. If you enjoyed my video, please consider subscribing and hit the bell to receive a notification when I add a new video. Share, leave a comment, and shop that like button. Thank you for watching. See you next Monday. ขอบคุณค่ะ